Hey guys! Okay, so welcome back to Platitube, but today we're going to talk about the factors of production. I already mentioned them once before in an optional seminar in the last project, but everyone has to have it for this project, especially for the lab, because this stuff, everything, your notes from this video need to go in your pre-lab notes that you have to bring into your dilution lab tomorrow. So, first, we're going to start with what the factors of production are before I help you out with what you need for the lab. So we're going to start here. We have LLCE earns RIP. First L is labor. Second L is land. C is capital. And E is entrepreneurship. So, just to explain what each of them are, these right here are your factors of production. So labor, this is anyone that works for you, because in your business, you are the entrepreneur. But your labor is anyone that works for you. This is human resources. Land, that is going to be any natural resource. Okay? Anything that comes from the ground, from the air, from whatever. It is a natural resource. It is naturally made, nature-made. Capital, that's going to be anything that is man-made. That's going to be a building or a tool or loans, money. It's going to be anything that is man-made. Just remember that. And then, of course, you, the entrepreneur. Now, each of these factors of production earn an income. Here are your incomes right here. That's RIP. So labor earns wages. Land earns rent. Capital earns interest. And entrepreneurs earn profit. Now these entrepreneurs, these are risk takers. They are the owners of the businesses. And what they do is they combine these three other factors of production to actually make a good or service. So you are going to, as the entrepreneur, are going into your dilution lab and you're going to have to figure out and pay for your various materials to make your good or service successfully, meaning to complete your dilution lab. Okay, so now that I've given you that information, we can get up close and personal again. And I can let you know very easily how to successfully complete your chemistry lab using the ideas of factors of production. So when you need to get the materials, all of those materials are man-made, except for the chemicals. Chemicals are going to be land. So when you want to get those chemicals to complete your dilution lab or the water or whatever, you will have to actually come to me, because I will be in the factor market, the factor resource market, and you'll know what that is when you watch the two-sector circular flow video. And you will come to me and you will hand me a sheet of paper that says rent. To get your chemicals, you have to give me rent. If you try to give me any other income, you're not going to get your chemicals. Now, as for any beakers or any kind of glassware or goggles or anything like that, your aprons, those are capital. Those are man-made tools that you need to complete your dilution lab. So to get those, you have to give me interest. You have to pay me interest. If you try to pay me anything else, you will not get the necessary capital that you need to complete your chemistry lab. Now, if you have any questions about any of this, and you want to ask either myself or Miss Ziti about your lab, then you will need to pay one of us wages, because we are working for you. We are your employees. We are helping you. So you got to pay us, and you pay us with wages. And once you successfully complete your chemistry lab, we will pay you profit.